Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just walked in the house. I was out at the mall with one of my sons. He had to get a haircut. And then I stopped at my local P.O. box and I needed to check my mail, and I'm super excited because my Too Faced mystery bag has arrived. So Too Faced does these mystery bags around Black Friday where you can, you know, purchase it for like $40 or $42 and it'll have a value of like I don't remember what it was this year. I think it was like $142 or $129 or something like that. But I love Too Faced, and so I usually like to get these. I got these, if you remember last year I did it. Did I do it the year before? I can't remember if I did it the year before, but I know for sure I got last year. I did do it the year before, but I remember last year I got the peanut butter. What palette was that? The Too Faced peanut butter palette or something like that. It is this one right here. Yeah, the peanut butter palette. So I had got that one last year. And so I'm excited. So I'm gonna quit talking about it and get this open because it is a mystery. And I cut it open, and when you get it, it looks like this with all the stuff on top. You have your invoice, and then it has this little bag. And you guys, these little things sell out so fast. Like I had placed my order, and then I was telling my sister, and so she goes online, like I think it was like 2 days later, and they were already sold out. So these sell out pretty fast because it's a really good value, especially if you like Too Faced. And so it comes in this cute little bag. Sorry, I was just running my mouth, but it comes in this cute little bag. And so I'm going to get this open. And I'm just going to dig in and see what I pull out. So what is this? Okay. So the first thing is this sketch marker. Looks like that. And it says too glam to give a damn. That is so cute. Liquid art eyeliner. Oh, okay. And it's in deep navy blue, same as the package, which is cool. I don't think I have a navy blue eyeliner right now. And oh, this is cute. It looks like this, and it has a little heart like that. Like it looks like a pen, like a little marker, and you can attach it to your your planner or whatever. But it's makeup, and it has the cursive writing on it. It says too glam to give a damn on there. That is so cute. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, the tip of it is really pointy, so that's really good. So that's gonna be really nice when putting it on. And there it is, a nice dark navy blue, which I love. And so I've never used one of their sketch markers, so I'm happy to get that. Let's see what else I got in here. It is a Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear Lipstick. Now these I always see inside of Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I only have one color, and it's, what is this one? This one is, this is called Granny Panties. So the one that I have in my stash kind of looks like this, but not really. This looks more like a purple, like a grayish purple. The box is pretty. So let me see what this one looks like. And this is a really pretty color. So as you can see, it has that purplish like tint to it. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. There it is, next to the blue eyeliner. So that is a really pretty color. I like that. So that is item number 2, and that one was called Granny Panties. The next item I'm pulling out is this Liquify Longwear Lipstick, and this one is in the color Chihuahua. And I can already see on the side, this has one of those tips. The other one had a doe foot wand, which I really like. This one is one of those ones. Oh, see, I had one of these. I had something like this, one of these that I had picked up from TJ Maxx, and I didn't really like it. I didn't like it. I'm really more of a matte girl. I'm gonna use this, but I like matte formulas, and this one is the one that has that really soft, cushiony, like top to it. So let me put some on. It's pretty. It's pretty. I just don't never really pull out my other one that I have. And there it is at the top right there. So it's really pretty. I'm sure I can get some use out of that, but that's just not the one that I really care for, but I'm still gonna use it. And then the next thing in here is a Better Than Sex Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras to use. This is the smaller one, the little smaller one. And I already have a couple of these already anyway, so I'm very happy to receive that. And the last thing, I knew it was going to be a palette, of course. I just wasn't sure which one. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. So I got all of this stuff for, what did I pay? $42? $42. And I think that's a good deal. So every year around Black Friday, make sure if you are interested in getting one of these mystery boxes that you go to their site, because they usually sell out super fast, like I said. So it is the Bonbon palette, and of course I know it smells good. Oh my gosh, it smells just like a Hershey's bar. So good. And these colors are pretty, and they're cute little heart shapes. Really pretty. Look at that pink one at the bottom and this purple kind of color right here. Those are beautiful. So I'm very happy with this bag. The only thing is just that the one lipstick that I probably won't use too often, but I know that I'll use it. But yeah, I'm very excited to have gotten this one. Last year, the peanut butter and jelly palette, it was crazy because I got the mystery bag, and I had recently purchased one of the peanut butter palettes, so I ended up giving that away to one of you guys. I did a giveaway, so somebody won that one. I think I did it on Instagram. But yeah, so luckily this is one that I don't have in my stash, so I'll be able to keep this one. And that is it. I was waiting for this to come. It took longer than I expected, but it's here, so I'm happy. And yeah, so thank you guys all for watching me open my Too Faced mystery bag. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.